Hello everyone, welcome to the UltFone channel. Have you encountered the frustrating problem, like me, where your iPhone suddenly has a black screen and becomes unresponsive? However, don't worry, I have found several effective ways to restart the iPhone and restore its functionality. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart after charging. First, perform a brief preliminary check. Connect the iPhone to the charger and charge it for at least half an hour. After half an hour, pick up the iPhone and press both the volume up button and the power button for at least 10 seconds. If you see the Apple logo, you can release your fingers and wait for the iPhone to restart. If there is still no response, continue trying the following methods. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. This method can effectively solve many iPhone problems. First, quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This operation can resolve software issues that prevent the iPhone from turning on. If successful, the problem is resolved. If not, stay calm. You can continue by charging the phone for at least half an hour before trying a force restart again. If unsuccessful, we have other methods available. Method 3. Use Apple devices to repair. If a force restart fails, you can try using Apple devices to repair your iPhone. Of course, you can also use iTunes or Finder. First, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer, then quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until it enters recovery mode. At this point, the menu popped up by Apple devices will show Restore or Update. If you do not want to update, choose Restore. Once the required firmware has been downloaded, the restore process will begin. Note that this process will restore your iPhone to factory settings, which means all data will be erased. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If all the above methods fail, you can also try using the UltFone iOS System Repair tool. This tool can fix over 150 iOS issues without deleting your iPhone data. Simply click the Start Repair button in recovery mode, and UltFone will repair your phone within 10 minutes without losing any data. I hope these methods can help you solve the problem of your iPhone on turning on. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.